Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Pandas is available and your file paths are correct. This prevents wasted time later. Once installed, import Pandas as PD and load a sample with PD, read CSV or the appropriate reader so you can immediately inspect structure. Use df, head and df. Info to reveal column types and missing values. This shows what cleaning will be necessary. Make sure to parse dates on load when possible, because correct D-types simplify filtering and grouping downstream. Once done with initial inspection, focus on reproducible cleaning steps so your analysis stays trustworthy. You should standardize types with a stype and PD. To data time, then address missing values by filling, dropping, or group-wise imputation depending on bias risk. Next, apply vectorized transforms and DF. Assign to create features. This is faster and clearer than loops. Also use map or PD. Cut for categorical bucketing. Because consistent categories make grouping and plotting accurate and explainable. You finish by extracting insights through grouping, aggregation, and reshaping. Pivot table and group YAG are essential for summarizing large tables efficiently. Once you have results, visualize distributions and relationships to validate patterns. Save figures and results to CSV or to Excel for reproducibility. Finally, save your cleaning and analysis code in a script or notebook and include comments. If something breaks, check D-types and look for unexpected nulls first. Type mismatches and hidden NS cause most downstream errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.